Exploring idiomatic expressions. Blanket of white. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll dive into the picturesque phrase, blanket of white. This expression paints a vivid image in the minds of listeners and readers, and understanding its use will not only enhance your vocabulary but also enrich your comprehension of English literature and conversation. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this intriguing phrase. Blanket of white is an idiomatic expression that is often used to describe a thick layer of snow that covers the ground. Just like a blanket covers a bed, this layer of snow covers everything in sight, transforming the landscape into a serene and uniform canvas of white. It's important to note that this phrase is not just about the physical appearance of snow but also conveys the sense of coverage and uniformity. The beauty of the phrase, blanket of white, lies in its visual imagery. It's not just a description, it's a painting made with words. When someone uses this expression, they are not merely stating that there is snow. They are inviting you to envision a scene where everything is peaceful, calm, and draped in purity. This phrase is a perfect example of how language can evoke strong visual imagery and emotions, making the scene come alive in the listener's or reader's mind. While blanket of white is commonly used to describe snow, it's versatile and can be used in other contexts as well. For example, it can describe a field covered in white flowers or a scene where fog has settled, leaving everything with a soft, white cover. This adaptability makes it a beloved choice in poetry and prose, where writers use it to add depth and emotion to their descriptions. The phrase, blanket of white, is more than just a description of snow or other white-covered scenes. It's a linguistic tool that brings scenery to life and evokes feelings of peace, purity, and tranquility. Whether you're reading a novel, writing a poem, or simply describing a winter scene, understanding and using this phrase will add a layer of richness to your language. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this exploration adds a vibrant shade to your palette of English expressions.